If statement. What is it? A computer can execute over 100 billion instructions per second. It is very easy to calculate something. For example, the result of 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Or more complex calculations. But if you ask something simple, it doesn't know the answer. For example, is our character sleeping? Computers need to be told what to do. That's why we use programming. One way to do this is with if statement. If statement lets a program make decisions. For example, if our character is sleeping, say yes. Let's see a simple example in JavaScript. First, let's create a variable that holds an age. Let's say 20. To write the if statement, first we start with the keyword if, followed by parentheses. Inside parentheses we write an expression. For example, we check if our variable age is equals to 20. First, let's talk about comparison operators. Comparison operators let you compare values and return true or false. JavaScript has many comparison operators, but for now we will examine only 3. The equal operator. It compares two values and returns true or false. For example, if 8 is equals to 8, it returns true. If 6 is equals to 8, it returns false. The greater than and the less than operators compares two values, like we know in mathematics, and returns true or false. So, in this example, we compare the value of the variable age to see if it is equals to the number 20. As we can see, it is true. And now we can run the code. We open curly brackets, and write the code we want. Let's explain it again. We create a variable, with the name age, and give it the value of 20. After, we write the if statement, that compares the value of the variable age, if is equals to the number 20. In this example it is. So, the code inside the curly brackets is executed. For example, if we change the value of the variable age to 10, it is not anymore equal and give us false answer. So now the code it is not executed. But if we change the equals to less than, it is true, and the code is executed.